What if I told you? The biggest money in the AI revolution is not being made where most people think. Everyone is chasing the obvious names, the hype, the headlines. But behind the scenes, there are three stocks quietly making serious money from AI. And the crazy part? One of them isn't even an AI company. So if you're thinking about investing in AI, or even just curious where the smart money is going, stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll see these three stocks very differently. Look, AI is not just a trend anymore. It's a full-scale revolution. Companies are spending billions. Governments are racing. And investors are pouring money like never before. But here's the mistake most people make. They only look at the surface. They think AI means just one thing. It doesn't. AI is an entire ecosystem. And today, I'm going to walk you through three stocks making money from three completely different sides of this ecosystem: NVIDIA, Constellation Energy, and Sandisk. And trust me, each one tells a very different story. Let's start with NVIDIA. Now, yeah, I know, you've heard this name everywhere. But here's the thing. Just because something is popular doesn't mean it's overpriced or done. Sometimes, the obvious winner is still the strongest one. NVIDIA makes the chips that power AI. Every time someone trains a chatbot, builds an AI model, runs massive data, there's a very high chance NVIDIA is behind it. It's like selling shovels during a gold rush. You don't need to find gold. You just sell the tools, and you make money no matter who wins. That's NVIDIA. But here's where it gets interesting. A lot of people think they missed the opportunity. They see the price and think, it's too late. But what if we are still early? Because AI demand is not slowing down. In fact, it's just getting started. Big tech companies are still investing billions. New AI tools are launching every month. So the real question is not, did NVIDIA already run? The real question is, how much bigger can this still get? Now let's talk about something most people are not paying attention to: Constellation Energy. And this is where things start getting really interesting. Because this company is not building AI. It's not making chips. It's not even a tech company. So why is it on this list? Because AI has a hidden problem: power. AI data centers consume insane amounts of electricity. We're talking about levels most people can't even imagine. Every AI query, every model, every server, it all needs power. And as AI grows, this demand is exploding. That's where Constellation Energy comes in. They produce electricity, including nuclear energy, which is becoming extremely important. Now think about this. If AI keeps growing, what happens to electricity demand? It goes up. And if demand goes up, what happens to companies supplying that power? Exactly. This is why smart investors are quietly looking at energy stocks connected to AI. Because without energy, AI simply cannot exist. Now let's move to the third one: Sandisk. This one is completely different. This is not a safe play. This is not a slow and steady stock. This is momentum. This is hype. This is where things can move fast. Sandisk deals with storage. And again, AI needs storage. Massive amounts of data need to be saved, processed, moved. So companies in this space can benefit a lot. But here's the thing. Stocks like this don't move slowly. They explode. And they crash. That's the reality. So this is not the kind of stock you blindly hold forever. This is the kind of stock where timing matters. So now step back for a second and look at the bigger picture. NVIDIA is powering AI. Constellation Energy is powering the power behind AI. And Sandisk is handling the data behind AI. Three completely different roles, but all connected to the same revolution. Now here's something important. Not every stock will perform the same way. NVIDIA is strong, but already big. Constellation is quieter, but has long-term potential. Sandisk is risky, but can move fast. So the real question is not which one is best. The real question is, what kind of investor are you? If this video made you think differently about AI stocks, then don't just stop here. Drop a comment and tell me, which one would you pick? NVIDIA, Constellation Energy, or Sandisk? And why? And if you want more videos like this, make sure you subscribe, because the next one might just be the opportunity everyone else is missing.